Hello, good morning, and welcome to One Way Web Technologies video training series. This is our WordPress video training, and this is the first installment, basically called Finding Your Brand New WordPress Website. I will have to assume at this point in time that you have either just installed WordPress onto your hosting account for your website, or you have had a web designer or web developer install WordPress for you, and you are at your office or you are at your home and you are just chomping at the bit, dying to know if your website is live on the internet. The only way to do this at this point, because your website is brand new, is you need to go to a web browser, which in this case we're looking at Firefox. There is also Google Chrome, there is also Internet Explorer, and all web browsers have some form of search engine search bar. Google is the most popular, and Bing are very popular search tools. But it is very important to know that at this point in time, because your website is absolutely brand new, your website is not going to show up in a normal search on the internet, because the Google search engine and Bing search engines, they do not yet know that your website exists. It's a little difficult to explain. It's kind of technical, but just take my word for it that it takes a little bit of time, and there are ways to make it happen faster. You will have to talk to your web designer or developer, but it takes a little bit of time for Google to be able to find you on the search engine. So the way that you're going to have to find out if your site is in fact live on the internet is you're going to have to go up to this bar up here, which is your web address. It's where you are on the internet, and you need to type in your exact web address. Your exact web address would be http:// and then www. whatever web address you purchased. In my case, I purchased onewaywebtech.info. You maybe picked joesgarage.com or deckrefinishing.net, or whatever you purchased. You would know better than I what you purchased. This is where you would type that in. So I will type in onewaywebtech.info. At this point you would hit enter, but I have to type in a little bit more, but you would just click enter at that time. And then enter. If your website is live on the internet, you are going to see a page that looks very similar to this. If you do not see a page similar to this, you have either typed it incorrectly or your website is not yet live on the internet, and you're probably just going to have to wait a little bit more time. But your site will look like this. It will be very generic. It will be very bland at this point. You will just see the name of your site. It will either say WordPress, or it will be whatever you typed in as the name of your site. It will say just another WordPress site. There will be a search bar over here, and there will be one of several pictures here. It will say sample page, and if you scroll down a little bit, it will say hello world, and there will be a right sidebar that will have some information in it, one of which is site admin under the meta here. I wanted to bring that to your attention because that will be our next video training, which will be logging in to your WordPress site in order to start making changes, so this is not what people see when they come to the site. So if this is what you see, your site is in fact live. Congratulations, you did a good job, or your web designer did it correctly. Your site is live on the internet, and you are now ready to start making changes to make your site customized to the look and feel that you want your website to be. Thank you for viewing this video training. Please come back and view our other video training. The next in this series will be logging in to your WordPress site. Thank you and have a great day.